7 tricks to keep going when you feel low and demotivated. It's tough to work on something when you're not in the mood for it. It's even tougher to keep going when you no longer feel motivated to do anything. In this presentation, I'm going to share with you 7 actionable tricks so you can regain your motivation and continue chasing your goals. Number 1, take a break. Taking breaks from time to time is important. It helps you clear your head, it helps you relax, it helps replenish your energy. When you start feeling like you're not getting anywhere and you're feeling more and more frustrated, then take that as your cue to take a break. Number 2, do what makes you happy. Nothing releases stress faster than doing something you love. When you take a break, go to your favorite park and look at the birds or something. If you love beaches, then take some time off your busy schedule to let the sea breeze clear your head. Number 3, challenge yourself. If you're bored with your current setup, then try challenging yourself. Write down what you want to happen and think of a corresponding reward when you achieve it. Number 4, take some time to exercise. Exercise is good for your mind and body. You can go to the gym, lift some weights, and run a few miles on the treadmill. Go play some basketball if that's your thing. When you get back to work, you'll feel a whole lot better. Number 5, change your priorities. Maybe you feel like you're working on a Herculean task, and you find it highly unlikely you'll succeed. If this is the case, then maybe you need to adjust your goals and change your priorities. Start small and take baby steps. You'll feel motivated when you see yourself making some progress. Number 6, ask for help. Ask for help from people you trust and respect. If you know someone who's been through a similar situation, ask them for advice. Look for positive people in your circle of friends and ask them what they do in your situation. Number 7, uncover the root cause of your demotivation. You have to look deep within yourself to find out why you feel this way. No one else can answer it for you. Once you uncover the reason, don't just stop there. Do something to fix it. You'll find yourself feeling more motivated once the root cause is uncovered.